Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today our topic is 10 habits that you can do today to make you smarter, okay? Okay, number 1, share what you learn, okay? Share mo kung ano natutunan mo sa buhay mo. Okay, kasi 'di ba? Whenever you share what you have learned, of course, you're becoming confident. And if you share to other people, people would appreciate it, and they would love to say, oh, this people is good because she share her concern, okay? And it makes us smarter, right? Number 2, accordingly, is make sure you sleep 8 hours every day. Yes, very important. But sometimes, due to call of business and other side hustle, okay, so we have to ensure that we can cope up with that, kulang na tulog, right? And and another thing is exercise for 30 minutes every day. Okay, I love walking from time to time. So whenever the weather is good, so I used to walk at least 30 to 1 hour a day, okay? Schedule time to think without distraction. Yes, that's very important. Ako, there are times na gusto kong mahiga lang ako and then think, okay? Or maupo lang ako, think. No hawak ng cellphone, okay? No, not doing anything, okay, like that, okay? And number 5, work hard on your mindset. Okay, ano ba yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo? Ano ba yung mga pinaplano mo? You have to do that, okay? Okay, i-jot down mo. Kung may mga bagay ka na naisip, i-jot down mo para bigyan mo yan ng panahon. Okay? And then number 6, become self-aware and get rid of your bad habits. Okay, so ano ba yung nakikita natin sa sarili natin na bad habits natin? Yung late na tayo magising sa umaga. So, how to change that? So, if you can wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning, okay? Kasi it's very important, sabi nga, early bird catches early worm, right? So, ganun daw yung mga negosyante. So, if we want to become successful in life, 'di ba, kailangan gumising tayo ng maaga. Pero depende daw, ewan ko ba, kasi may mga content creator na nagsasabi na nagigising sila around hapon kasi mga night person sila. Pero, so what do we really think about making ourselves smart? Okay, so kanya-kanyang no? And then another thing is read more. Okay, so reading more. When we love reading, so we are learning. Okay, when we are learning, so we know so many things. And when we know so many things, so we're getting smarter than before. Okay, and then write more. Oh, pag mahilig pala tayo magsulat, nakaka-make smarter sa atin. Of course, kasi we're sharing what we have learned, right? So yun lamang guys, and I hope you would love to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for it to get notified whenever I posted up a new video. Bye! Love you all guys.